are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share. Hello everyone, welcome back to Afza's world. Today I have come with another recipe. Everyone loves this recipe, marshmallows. So it's my favorite. The ingredients are 1 cup sugar, half cup water, rose syrup 1 tablespoon, gelatin 30 gram, hot water half cup. Actually this is normal water half cup. First we'll start with the soaking gelatin. Add the gelatin to the hot water. Mix it well to dissolve it. Now it is dissolved completely. Keep this aside for some time. Now let's melt the sugar. I have added 1 cup sugar and half cup normal water. Whisk it well. Now the sugar is completely melted. Now switch off this flame. Now I'm going to mix it and mix the gelatin and sugar. Take another bowl, pour the sugar syrup. Then add the dissolved gelatin. Whisk it. Now I'm going to beat the mixture well. So beat it until it becomes like this. See, it's so fluffy now. Now we'll pour this mixture to a pudding tray. I'm only using half of the batter now and spread it. Now what I'm going to do is add 1 tablespoon of rose syrup to the other batter. Then mix it well. Now the pink color marshmallow mix is ready. Now we'll add the pink mixture to the tray. Finally, just tap it. Keep this batter 4 hours for room temperature. Just keep it in room temperature. No need to keep it in refrigerator. So after 4 hours, let's check if our marshmallow is ready. It's ready and it's sticky. So now we are going to take it out from the mold. So Now let's flip it off. So what I did is took a plate, I sprinkled some corn flour so the marshmallow doesn't get sticky. Now let's flip it. So now I flipped it and I'm going to remove this. So our marshmallow is ready. I'm going to peel the butter paper. Wow, it definitely looks like the thing we buy from the candy shop. Now we'll cut it. I cut this marshmallow like this. Now sprinkle some corn flour so that it doesn't get sticky. Our yummy marshmallow is ready. I'm gonna eat it now. Please try this at home and let me know through the comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.